Good morning, class. Just wanted to give you the instructions for today for Monday. You're going to start with the discussion board, and then you're going to work on the DNA to RNA to protein part 1, and then you're going to work on the lab activity called creating critters using protein synthesis. The lab today is going to be a formative lab, so you're going to want to get that turned in for a grade. Let's take a look on how to do transcription and translation. Okay, so as a reminder, you're going to take the DNA, and the first thing you're going to do is transcribe it into RNA. That's transcription. If you take a look at this, the DNA is going into the RNA. So you can have tacos, apples, camels, and grapes, or T's and A's in DNA. But in RNA, the T becomes a U. So if you look how I paired this stuff up, you're going to write right below what's happening here. So DNA, you're going to convert it into RNA. That's transcription. So T goes with A goes with U, C goes with G. And you're going to follow that all the way across there as you go. You're just going to convert the DNA into RNA. Once you've converted DNA into RNA, you can figure out what the protein's going to be. And that's using the protein wheel or the codon wheel down here. So if your first letters are AUG, you use the wheel by starting in the middle, A, stay in that section, U, and then G, and you'll see that it gives you methionine. So you're just going to use those first 3 letters. And you're going to write that right up here. Okay, and then if you take the next one, you have DNA is CTT. It converts to GAA. Use it on, look it up on your wheel. GAA gives you this glutamic acid, so you're going to put GLU up here. Okay, next one is DNA is GGG, so you're going to convert it or transcribe it into messenger RNA. It becomes CCC. If you look up CCC on your table, start in the middle. CCC gives you proline. This one's pretty straightforward. Make sure you practice this before you get ready for today's assignment. Today's assignment is going to be this lab critters. You're going to read through this. It's going to talk to you about transcription and translation. Again, the 2 parts of protein synthesis. But what your formative lab is going to be on is making the creatures on the next couple of pages. Okay, skip down to this page right here where it shows you the skin color, the eye color, and the number of legs, the skin pattern, foot shape, and other body parts. So you're going to be using the DNA that's given to you to transcribe it into the messenger RNA, and then you're going to translate it into the amino acid sequence to figure out what the trait is. So let's do the first one together here. So the DNA is TTG. The messenger RNA then is going to be T goes with A, T goes with A, G goes with C, T goes with T, so T goes with A. And then this one's going to be apples go under umbrella and RNA, and then G, and then C. Remember that this goes like this, but then apples go with this and RNA. Okay, once you get the RNA, you can figure out what the amino acid sequence is by checking this table right here. So the mRNA codon, you read it in 3 letters. So the first one is AAC. You see that AAC is ASN, but AAA is LYS. So you're going to put LYS. UGC, so UGC is cysteine, that's CYS. Now you're going to use this sequence to figure out this table right here. So ASN, LYS, CYS, it tells you it's going to have pink skin. So you're going to be drawing 3 of these things. So this is monster number 1. You're going to figure out what the skin color is pink, so you're going to be drawing this pink. You're going to figure out the eye color, the number of legs, skin pattern, the foot shape, and other body parts that it has. But there's 3 of these things, so look down at the next 3 pages, you'll see. Okay, make sure you answer the questions that go with it. There's about 10 questions. All right, let's try one more here. Okay, so the eye color. CTC You're going to convert the DNA into RNA, so CTC is going to become GAG. TAC is going to be AUG. And then GTT is going to be CAA. Ran out of space. So GAG down here is GLU. AUG is going to be MET. And then CAA is going to be GLN. Now I'm going to look for this combination, GLY, MET, or actually it's GLU, MET, GLN, and it tells me I'm going to have yellow eyes. So now I'm going to draw this thing. So I'm going to have, when I draw this thing, I'm going to have something that has some kind of pink skin and then yellow eyes. And where are you going to draw it at? You're going to draw it in this section right here on your paper. Okay, so this is where you'll make your drawing. So you'll have a pink body, yellow eyes, and whatever other traits that you find. If you're needing help with some of this, you can't figure it out, try to watch the Khan Academy video right here. This is a pretty good video of how to do this thing. Otherwise, just let me know. Email me. I'll try to do my best to get back to you. Thanks.